Hey guys, in today's video I will show you 7 creative new post Instagram story ideas, and we will be using the Instagram app only. So if you want to go from making stories like this to making stories like this, then keep on watching. So for our first story we want to change the background color, so to do that just pick a color from the screen using a marker tool and then press and hold on the screen to fill it in. Then select text using classic font and type in one dot and a few spaces. Press a little A icon twice to add the background, and then we have the square, so we want to resize it and place it in the corners of our story. Repeat it again and place it in the other corner. Then type new post several times and then just copy and paste it until it fills the whole screen. Don't forget to resize the text. Then copy everything again and select the color from the screen for our text. When you're done, just scale the text and move it to the colored area. Repeat everything again. Then select text and type a lot of dashes to make a line, but make sure you're using typewriter font. Select the color you want for your line and repeat it again to make 2 of them. Then resize your lines and place them near your picture to create a little border, and you're done! For the next story, first change the color of your background and then type new post separately and choose the background so your letters would look like they are in little boxes. For each letter, choose a different color from your image.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what.
Then we will select modern font and type 2 dashes to create a little connection between the letters. You want to pick a color and place the line between the boxes and then just tap on them again to move them forward. Repeat it until all of your letters are connected.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be.
Then I wanted to add something more, so I just picked a marker tool and draw a little wave and filled it in with the same color.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes mysterious.
Then, using the marker tool again, I just tapped on the screen to place these little dots to make the story look nicer.
I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things.
For this story, change the background color as always and type in new post separating each letter into another line. Then scale the text to look good near your image. After that, you want to select typewriter font and type a dot with choosing a background to get a square like this. Place it under your image to create this kind of shadow. Then select a color for your new post text. Also, the story looked a little empty for me, so I decided to draw some waves to make it look more put together. For the next story, after changing the background color, you want to select this brush in the middle and just paint these stripes through the wall screen. Then type new post several times again and copy paste it until it fits the whole screen. Select the color from your picture to your text and make the text bigger to fit the whole screen. Place the text and tap on your image to bring it to the front, and the story is finished. For this story, I wrote news separately and chose the background for each box. Then I resized the letters to make them look the same and chose the same color for each of them. Then I selected typewriter font and typed a lot of dashes to create these lines. I copied and pasted them to have 3 in total. Then I selected a color and moved the lines to the top of the story so the letters could hang on them. After placing the letters, I decided to add some dots, so I just picked a marker tool, picked a size and a color, and I just placed a lot of dots to make the story look a little more funny. Now for this one, I created 2 lines first to create a little border for the picture, but I would actually suggest adding your text first because then it's easier to move the lines.
I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
So for the text, I just typed news several times again and copy-pasted them to create this kind of text.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I selected the color and created 3 texts in total. Then I moved them to create these 3 lines on my story. When I was happy with how the text looked, then I moved my picture and the lines so the text would be left in the background. And for this story, after setting your background color, select the marker tool and draw these little waves. Using the same tool, fill the spaces in with the same color. Then select a different color and place these little dots. I couldn't do that on the top because of the tool icon, so I just typed in a dot as a text, chose the same color, and resized it to look like other dots. I know it takes a long time, but it's the only solution I found. And then I just repeated and pasted the dots until I was happy with the results. Then I selected strong font and typed a word new 3 times. I selected 3 different colors and placed the word on top of others to make them look like they have a shadow. And the story was finished. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and comment down below which story idea was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.